In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from your Xero account, whether you're managing changes in your team or adjusting roles. Removing a user can be a simple and necessary task. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to log in to your Xero accounting software. Take a moment to enter your credentials accurately, ensuring you have access to the features necessary to modify user settings. Once you're logged in, this will bring you to your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your Xero activities. It's the place where you can efficiently navigate through various sections to accomplish your tasks. Now, from your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Accounting tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to select the Advanced option. This section contains more detailed settings that allow for specific functions, including user management, letting you fine-tune how you handle team members within your account. Once you're in the Advanced section, look for a link that says, "Looking for Organization Settings." Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to tweaking the settings at the organizational level, which includes managing users. In this section, you'll see a variety of options related to your organization's structure and permissions. Among these options, find and click on Users. This will present a list of all user profiles associated with your Xero account, providing a comprehensive view of who has access to your system. Now, locate the name of the user you wish to remove and click on it. For today's explanation, let's say we are using a demo account for this process. On the user's profile page, keep an eye on the top right corner where you'll notice 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will provide additional actions you can take regarding this user, giving you the flexibility to manage their role effectively. One of the options you'll see here is to delete the user. Click that option. Once you've made your choice, Xero will prompt you to confirm this action. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking you to proceed. Click on Yes, Delete User to finalize this removal process. This step is crucial as it ensures that once you make the decision, it's intentional and considered. After confirmation, the user will no longer have access to your Xero account. This effectively ensures that security is maintained and access is controlled according to your organization's needs. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from Xero. Managing user access can be part of regular maintenance for your accounting software, keeping your data secure and roles clearly defined. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your team within Xero. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other tutorials or reach out for support. See you next time.